Using the information given on the question, we need to find the missing angle. First, let's call this angle as alpha. Then, using exterior angle theorem on this triangle, we can write 25 plus alpha equals 50 degrees. From here, alpha will be 25 degrees. Let's also write this on the diagram. Now we see that the blue triangle has equal base angles of 25 degrees. So we can conclude that triangle ABD is an isosceles triangle. And that means that the corresponding sides BD and AD should be equal. Now let's work on the other information given in the question, that EB equals 2 times DC. First, let's call line segment DE as A and EC as B. Then instead of DC, we can write A plus B. So line segment EB will be 2A plus 2B units. Let's also see that on the diagram. Now we can see that line segment BD will be A plus 2B units. Let's move this length to its place on the question. We already know that line segment AD is equal to line segment BD. So let's write that on the diagram also. Now here comes the tricky part of the question. Let's extend the bottom line for another A plus B units and connect point F and point A. Now focus on this triangle we just created. And notice that the height of this triangle bisects the base into two A plus B unit line segments. So we can conclude that this is an isosceles triangle. That means that base angles and corresponding sides must be equal. Let's show these values on the diagram. Now focus on this triangle. And notice that line segment EF is A plus 2B units. Which means we have another isosceles triangle with 50 degree vertex angle and A plus 2B unit leg lengths. Therefore, we should have equal base angles and let's call them beta. From this triangle, we can write 2 beta plus 50 equals 180. Subtracting 50 from both sides, we will have 2 beta equals 130. And dividing both sides by 2 will give us 65 degrees for beta. Finally, let's focus on this purple triangle. We can use exterior angle theorem once again to write our unknown angle plus 50 equals 65 degrees. And from here we can find our missing angle as 15 degrees, and that will be our answer. If you have time and want to see more questions like this, just check out these playlists. I am sure you will enjoy them also. I'll see you on the next one.